Did you know that most Android devices out these days have a way to control the intensity of the LED torch flashlight? Depending on which company makes your phone, the process to adjust its brightness level will be different though. So today, I'll show you 3 different ways that you can do this, no matter if you have a Google Pixel, a Samsung Galaxy, or any of the other Android 13 Plus devices out there. To start off, I want to highlight a tip I recently learned from Android Authority. This will work on all supported Google Pixel smartphones and tablets, but again, it must have Android 13 installed or later. And this works by first installing a Google application called Magnifier. I'll have this app linked in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment, so that it's easy for everyone to find. Once the app has been installed, let's go ahead and open it up. And there in the bottom right corner, you should see a flashlight icon on the screen. It's going to be turned off because it's disabled by default, but we can turn it on by tapping on that icon, and you can see the LED flash turns on. But we also get this slider here, and that's going to adjust the strength, aka the intensity, of the LED flash. You can see how bright that goes just by increasing this slider here. Not only is that allowing the LED flashlight to be brighter than what we get if we use the quick settings tile for the flashlight, but we can also adjust that so that it is lower and less strong than if we had turned it up all the way. An interesting little tip if you need a little bit more light in a particular situation. Samsung is well aware that this is a highly requested feature among its user base. So they actually took this a step further and built it directly into the One UI firmware itself. No first-party or third-party apps are required for supported Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets, and it works by performing a long press gesture on the quick settings tile for the flashlight. So by default, we can turn the flashlight on or off, but if we do a long press gesture, you can see we get a slider here. So we can turn the flashlight on, and again, we can take this slider and drop the strength down low, or we can crank the LED flash intensity all the way to max by swiping it to the right. Now, I have not tested this on any of their tablets, but I assume that it's going to work there as well. Your device likely also needs to have Android 13 or higher installed, but let me know if this is not true down in the comments section below. The last method that I want to show you here today will work on any Android device that is running Android 13 or higher. This version of Android is required since that is when Google began to add the capabilities into the core Android firmware. It still requires that you have hardware that supports it, so if your OEM skimped out on the LED flash module, then you may not be able to get this third-party app to work. For example, I could not get this working on my Redmi K 70 Pro or the Redmi Note 13 Pro. Even though the software supports it, the hardware is not capable of adjusting the LED flash strength. This third-party application is called FlashDim, and you'll want to make sure that you're downloading the app from the developer CyberKO. It's free to install and is actually open source as well. And I'll be sure to have this app linked down below as well. after you have the app on your phone, go ahead and open it up. And you'll notice a big slider on the right side here. The latest version of the app will have either 4 or 5 levels, with each level increasing the LED strength intensity 1 more than the previous. Now we also have some preset buttons over here on the left, so you can turn it off. You can set it to minimum, you can set the strength halfway, or you can set it to max. The app also has extra features for SOS, Morse code, and a basic interval flash option. Now, I suspect that Google has not added in the software controls for adjusting the light intensity, since there are still phone makers who have chosen to not include the improved hardware. Even though Android 13, Android 14, and Android 15 support the feature, it's still dependent on the hardware as well. And I suspect this is why limiting the battery capacity charge level isn't a feature that's baked into Android right now. It just requires additional hardware to work, and that isn't something that Google needs to include at this time. So in the future, we could see the ability to increase the max brightness of the LED torch flashlight available to everyone via the quick settings panel. But for now, we either need to use an application to get this done, or opt for hardware from Samsung, as they include this feature in the One UI firmware for their phones that support it. Now, let me know if you ran into any issues following this guide or using any of the apps that I showed you here today. And please do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android tips like this.